How to stop Google tracking and protect your privacy. Open the Google app and search for My Activity. Tap the first Google My Activity result. Here, you'll see the activity controls Google uses to save your data. Open each of these 5 options: Web and App, Activity Timeline, Location History, YouTube History, Google Play History if available on your account, Google Search Service History, or any remaining activity controls shown. For each one, tap Turn On, then select Turn Off. When prompted, choose Turn Off and Delete Activity, then confirm by tapping Delete and OK. Repeat these steps for all the activity controls. That's it. Your Google account will stop saving these types of activity going forward, and the selected saved activity will be deleted. Follow for more privacy and Android tips.